Hey ladies and gents, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to easily download an image in Figma. Let me just add something. For example, I will use this photos extension. I will search for example, apple. Right, let us place the apple, and now as you can see this image is going to be on our project. And now guys, in order to export this, it's actually pretty simple. As you can see, we have this export word and a button plus next to it in this right editing panel. Just press on the plus, and as you can see guys, we can now export. So just press on export after you choose the preferred extension. Also you can choose the size, and then just press on export rectangle. In our case is going to, I don't know why it's called rectangle, probably because it's the photo that has the pretty much the form as a rectangle. And after you press this button, your Explorer will open and you can choose where to save this image. Okay, so as you can see, I have just downloaded it and I will open for you guys. And as you can see, I have now opened it in my Photos app. So it's now saved on my PC. Enjoy, my friends. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to support us. We greatly appreciate it, and this motivates us to provide you with even more tutorials. As always, thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.